What's up everyone, welcome back to Help Email Tales. Are you trying to fix the issue of outgoing emails stuck in the outbox and not sending? Well, this video is going to help you fix the issue real quick. The not sending but receiving issue can happen for a bunch of reasons, like incorrect SMTP server settings, large attachments, network problems, or even a corrupted Outlook profile. To help you get your Outlook sending emails smoothly, I'll share the easy and effective solutions right here. And yeah, if you want more help, you can call out these numbers on the screen to get one-on-one help from our experts. Alright then, let's get your Outlook fixed now. Method 1. Remove the Outlook add-ins. Press the Windows plus R key at the same time to open the Run dialog box. Type Outlook/save in the box and click on OK. When the Choose Profile window pops up, just click on OK. Now, look at the top left corner of the screen and click on the File tab. Scroll down on the left side and click Options at the bottom. In the Options menu, click on Add-ins. At the bottom, you'll see Manage option with the drop-down and click Go button next to it. Uncheck all the add-ins in the list and then click OK and you're done. If the first method is unable to fix your problem, then follow the next solution. Also, if you're finding these methods helpful, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Method 2. Change settings and re-add your account. First, open your Outlook program. Then, go to Search section and open Task Manager. Once the Task Manager is open, search for Outlook. Select the Outlook option and click on the End Task option. Next, you need to move to the Search section in the taskbar and search for Outlook and open it. After that, click on the Settings icon on the Open page. Now, what you need to do is click on the Manage option next to the account. From here, scroll down a bit and choose Remove option. After that, sign in with your email address and see if you're able to send emails now. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit helpemailtales.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.